Got our first 2 posts set. 1, 2. The next thing we did was we measured for our footer, and this is our old scraps of 2x6 pressure treated, and we're going to lay that right across here. Because the width of the pressure treated pretty much comes to here, we're just going to put some caulk down here on the rims in between just to kind of stabilize that in place, and then we're going to screw it in to the sides. So we've pre-drilled and set our screws. Now we're tacking them into place. We put some caulk in the middle, and this should be a nice base that'll hold on that we can attach our stuff to. Now the window is in place. We clamped it to make it flush and have just pre-drilled our 2 bottom holes so we can screw those in. We'll then clamp and pre-drill our top holes. Now we're screwing in the top side. So we'll have 2 on the top, and then we'll screw in the bottom, and we'll put a top plate on next.